Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. Tonight on Meditative Dialogue, we're going to reason with Brother Don Cruickshank out to Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, man, the art is tough because we don't deal with nothing weak. Trust me. In the meantime, we're Talking News. Check it out. All this can be found right after this interview. We will update YouTube Daddy Reddss Promotions page. And some of the developments we have, development stories will be Sean Paul wants full development of Kingston as a music tourism city. That's nice. Sad news. Nobato's son, Dante Brooks, found guilty of murder. Tough. Bounty Killer supports the call to reopen the entertainment industry or give them a relief package because, you know, people need to eat food. They're gonna use this shit. And the other day, Mr. Vegas, on his live, he talked with Sasha. And she said that Gussie Clark did, not give her publishing. Gussie Clark just clapped back. So, we'll have that. And also, Sean Paul saying why he won't do verses. Again, he reiterated. Said he live in a violent society in Jamaica. That's alleged because I need to just go through that to make sure because I don't want to quote him. But this is Daddy Reddss and it's Talking News. Like, subscribe, share, show that you care. So we can boom up like a nuclear. Have no fear. The reggae ambassador is here. That's right. We don't say dread out for now. We say horn now. The art is soon forward. But right now, let's deal with Mr. Don Cruickshank. This one called Your Love. Big tune, you know. Don't worry, the art is soon forward, people.
Oh, yes. Now see that Cypress day, how she's keeping my love for her. It's so exceeding.
Yeah, man, on music.
One look, but now my heart keeps beating like mortar pestle and planting. Whole fruits ripe, ready for the eating. She took me home. Mom's how you keep it. Mom said, Royal Rastafari greeting.
Big
What have I done? Your love is like a dream. What have I done? What have I done? You gave sweet love to me. What have I done? What have I done? To deserve a love so real. What have I done? What have I done? To extend your courtesy. What have I done? What have I done? Your love is like a dream. What have I done? What have I done? You gave sweet love to me. Now the net is a thing I've got to be.
Big song, big song.
Considering. Cause a love like this there's never times alive. Give thanks to Jah for what he has done. You brought me joy, you brought me love, you brought me tenderness.
Oh!
You brought me joy, you brought me love. Yes, you give me all your best. You brought me joy, you brought me love, you give me tenderness. What have I done? What have I done? You deserve a love so real. What have I done? What have I done? You extend your courtesy. What have I done? What have I done? Your love is like a dream. What have I done? What have I done? You give sweet love to me. What have I done? What have I done? You deserve a love so real. What have I done? What have I done? You extend your courtesy. What have I done? What have I done? Your love is like a dream. What have I done? What have I done?
Yeah, man. Don Cruickshank out to Trinidad and Tobago. One call your love. And this one called Back Against the Wall in a combination style. But check it out, people. Check it out. The artist soon forward, you know.
I see them back against the wall. See Babylon, them on the fall. Back to them back against the wall. No see the killing in America. No see the killing all over. Come in Trinidad, that's their mother. Who bring the guns from the border? You don't need gun to sell ganja. Mr. Political Warrior, I want to say you cannot get control. No, not get.
Pull it up, selector.
I see them back against the wall. See Babylon, them on the fall. Now to them back against the wall. No see the killing in America. No see the killing all over. Come in Trinidad, that's their mother. Who bring the guns from the border? You don't need gun to sell ganja. Mr. Political Warrior, you cannot get control. No, not get. I'm like I'm wrong. Cause you never against the wall. Say Babylon now is fall. Cause you never against the wall. In Trinidad and no parties about ya. Who a go cheer down Babylon on ya? Yeah, me betting right side of me on ya. I know the one comes man. He might be coming to your son. Yes. Babylon, them a far. Them a go far.
Yeah.
Papa. Them a go far. Yeah, this music. Burn up the fire. Because the fire got to burn. It I see them back in the car. See Babylon, them on the car.
Yeah, man, the artist soon forward, people.
Not to them. In the industry, man, still there is like about 4 years now. Something different to one.
Yeah, man, y'all do good. All right, that's professionally, but how long have you been involved with music? It has, I know it's been much longer than 4 years.
I remember that from the from the bad in the life, the first word,
I can tell. Good. Now, in Trinidad, do you were you ever on any sound systems down there?
Well, man, I tell you, man, I pick up things like Jab Blood, yeah?
Mm.
Yeah, man, not some system, they use like radio, they use them, you know, they use them use touchy song, no song.
Good. All right. And your musical journey, have you traveled outside of Trinidad? Has the music taken you outside of Trinidad yet?
Well, I do a thing on a place called Septima, which is Colombia. It's the street. It's the street leading to the president.
Yeah, man. Me figure because, you know, Colombia is right there and they love the music too. All of Latin America, they love the music. Yes. All right, King. Yeah. Move over a little because I didn't catch the last sentence. Could you say that again one more time?
What it says, the Spanish-speaking people sing out the music, you know, is amazing. It's like
yeah. Exactly. It's like sometimes when you go to Germany, Netherlands, the people don't even speak English, but for some reason when they know the song word for word.
Exactly.
Yeah. That show you the power of the reggae music. Now, going forward, because we know what's been happening in 2020 during the pandemic. Don't know, King. Listen, we know. We have a third eye open. Because definitely, we have to burn the fire on them. But in the 2021, hopefully it opens up. Where do you see yourself going? Any new projects going on or something like that?
I'll tell you something. Just before the pandemic and thing was about to do a thing in Canada.
Oh.
Get contact, and come like that fall through to the video.
Okay.
He's a man himself touching yard soon. Then again, something to some people of Boston. I just have to pick up Boston right now.
Good.
In some Boston and pick up I tell you.
Good. All right, it soon open up, and when it do, all them places are going to full joy you and your vibes. But don't forget, we have to bring you to Jamaica so you can shell it.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Definitely, kid.
Enough of light and them down there, so when them come actually that is right on the yard them there, So.
Good. Respect. Yeah, man, we love them vibes. Now, the music makes us meet and greet all the time, but through the music, what have you been doing, like, I guess, to build the community, just vibrations, good positive vibes?
Well, I tell you, we from a place originally called Tunapu. And the love Tunapu and they to my heart because this in the barn and see Now we move out and go a place called Rima, and Rima, different, but still, we're born now with there's two movies in Tunapu and become levels, you see? And
yes.
Let's engage most of the community in them movies. So you can look out for many rivers to cross and evil parts, you see? Them two movies there.
Yes.
Yeah, them is the two movies them with, MS network, big up, Sam. Yeah, and
yeah, man, call out them names, big them up. Have to big out everybody. And then what is it? MSC TV Network. I used to be a part of it. Big up everybody. Yes.
Back because I tell you, them thing they make get some serious exposure, saying and make certain people look like superstar here at Trinidad,
Good.
Yep. Would soon call me sure about that.
You know how I go. The work soon continue. We got something coming to you soon. Yeah. How you mean, man? You know how it is. I see what you mean because, it's the music and the vibes that allow the acting and other things, community-based things. Because I always say, when people are doing music, we know the royalties is your pension scheme, but you always have to have a plan, besides music in case, like, you get sick of it or whatever reason you stop doing it. And I see you do have that plan with the ARC. Explain the ARC to everyone.
Well, I tell you, the ARC is like a community. Well, there's a new community, what I have to say, 7 months today, and right? And this community, so, Easy Man will come out with the ideas, say, bringing like things like roots, wine, bubble roots. You see, if you watch them, I go just swing the camera a little while, you see?
Yep. Of course.
Yeah, you see this product here?
Yes.
We call it roots wine, yeah? Then you have Babwande wine. You know what's Babwande?
Which one is that?
Babwande is a back. They say good for man, when man.
I figured that one, yeah. Everybody calls it something different, but yeah.
Yeah, so me come like the doctor. Me come like the doctor because say when man want to deal with them sipping them come straight at me.
No frustration.
Yeah, what? You see they and me little snacks them and whatnot, you see?
Good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I see you've been building it, King. And I see you've been
Yeah,
planting,
yeah,
you know.
from strength
We
to
have to
strength.
plant our food.
7 months now, and trust me, man, I tell you, everybody will come and look for me still. You know, if you watch right now, man, 2 Spanish speaking gentlemen, they just a breeze out.
Good.
You
Good.
see? Yeah.
Vibrations, King. Can't wait to forward, man. Because, you know, he's a hard worker, too. You know,
Yeah,
anything
man.
to help the eye. Because I rate you, I support you. And like I
Then
said,
you don't know, say, my garden, I go on good same way too, just what they me put on enough corn and enough okra and, you know,
I
thing I
noticed.
come still. You see?
I could thing that. Organic.
Yeah.
Big up Dainty Star. Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
For real.
man. Yeah, man. For real.
That's what I'm talking about, okay? Because,
Yeah.
like I
And
said,
you that man, me can't stop big up same way too, you know, because you that man will see certain things and come forward still, you know what I mean? So me
I
love
must.
that. You know,
Yo,
me love that, trust me.
love in the heart, King. Love in the heart. Like I said,
Reggae ambassador, may I tell you, if
thank
you
you, sir.
don't know, Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador.
Respect and manners every time. Because as soon as it free up, a few time, trust me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's just for them drive the shaft away from, you know what I mean, the people, them, man. You know?
And if you available,
I'll tell you something. It's not even terrible as them and make you believe, you know. You see?
It's not at all.
Just like the common cold. You see?
Yeah. A brain works.
But even have belly resistant, when nobody tell people, then you could fall ill to it. You could even die. But there's a resistance you have to build. So when one thing come by the ark, nothing, you know what I mean? Build
Exactly.
up resistance, man.
You know how it go. We don't die, we multiply. No matter how much they try. They cannot test I. Big up yourself, Stylish Heather. Yes, King. In the real life. Because right now during the pandemic, I just say we just have to worry about exercise and health a lot more. And just eat right, you know, so you can think right and do right.
That's right. Whole of full meditation, you see?
Exactly. And every day it must go on. If it can't go on every day, every other day. Miss Bobby, pick up yourself. Yeah, man. Must.
Remember I tell the people too, they could have check out YouTube on Don Steve Cruickshank. Go on and make sure and press that red button, you see? And me soon to be on all other platforms soon. Right now, I'm in the makings are just setting up the thing right, you know?
Good.
But for now, YouTube, Facebook, IG, I tell you them, check out Don Steve Cruickshank. Yeah?
Exactly. And what I'm going to do when I run this back across, I'm going to put like you know, where to meet you at and everything on the replay. Yeah, man. Now let me see. So what's going on with you? Are you married, man? Because some woman told me to ask you that. Are you involved in any way? Because I got some woman friends that might treat the eye a certain way. The fans want to know, you know. But move over some, King. All right, hold on. The artist soon forward, people. Yes. The female fans want to know that. You know, a few of them told me to ask you.
Right. You're married. Why you got stuff out in Colombia?
Okay. Yeah, man. All right.
If you're watching, pick up on yourself.
All right. Good. Now, do you have any younger artists that you mentor, or you haven't reached that stage yet?
Well, I'll tell you something. I had one group called Higher Star Promotion, right?
Yeah.
But, you know, it's kind of tough to mentor people because, you know, everybody wants $1. Everybody wants $1.
Yeah.
You have to go look for that $. So when I say come to and you know how the $, to pay you, it's coming like you have to go where you can get $. So through that,
True, okay.
2 or 3 artists will stay around and still link and we does do some things to go to studio together, you know what I mean? And now Ifa, your sister Ifa, I'm gonna tell you that is very rough and terrible. The idea them could check you out, sister Ifa also. You see?
Yes, sir.
When we live at Trinidad. Check out that youth the same way too. Yeah, and then we have a youth called Trini Vanguard. All them youth them you can watch the movie and see them name and get them link and everything.
Good.
Come and put them in the movie that same way and the music are playing and the movie same way too. You see?
Alright, I'll tell you what. You know what? You and all those musicians know what we should do? How about we do a virtual concert and sell tickets? I have the ability to do that. All you have to do is just go somewhere, put a banner up, make it look nice, and then we do it.
No say nothing. Trust me, no party to be interested.
Big up DJ Mr. Man. Yeah.
Enough,
all right, good King.
Trust me. All youth like Truth Youth and, you know, not artists. Don't worry yourself.
All right, good. Yeah, man, we're going to manifest, make it manifest when we reason offline. Definitely, King. All right, so.
Yes, Mr. Blues. Easy, Mr. Blues. Take it down, Mr. Blues. Take it down. Nice.
Yeah, man, our vibes.
Yeah. We're ready to come check me, but so him stay. This is the
yeah, man, big up. Yes, King, big up yourself. Every time, right there. Yes. Yeah, I wish I was there. I feel a vibe now.
Yeah. Well, it was business man run, so people are checking me from time to time. Don't worry.
Of course, King. Of course, eh? See, you see with that spirit and vibe you have? Listen, you're going to go far in this thing. Because you're well-grounded. Wow. And all you got to do is just keep doing the music. When I get a few rhythms, I'll send them to the eye. And if you like them, you voice. If not, I'll eventually will get some for you. Because anything for the music.
Enough producer anyway, any part of the world, because I tell you, right now again, I go big up the youth called Tony G, Scratch Beat, the original, and check out our the item, check out the one page we called Blazing Live. Right? So you go and look for Blazing Live, trust me, it's 92.7 FM, Blazing Live, they're Boston. You see, right now, them are going the forward, so I have to get them the forward same way. You see?
Of course, King.
I get Jah Blood International. You see him now start up a radio station, Jah Blood International. My brother, you're large.
Exactly, I've been seeing the works, which is good.
Progressive youths, I tell you them.
Yeah, man, good to hear that. Now, your songs, are the songs on iTunes? Yet? Are they on the stores?
Yes, me know we're not the process same way.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And just make sure, as someone who's in the game professionally, like 4 years now you are, make sure that everything is registered properly. So listen, the money just gonna start coming properly.
Come on.
Good. Good to hear that. Yeah. Steve, it's an honor. It's an honor every time to reason with the eye. So, again, tell everybody, in closing, where they can email you anything for bookings, anything, or anything that we haven't covered that you want the world to know about you. The mic is yours, King.
Well, I'll tell you, my manager, original Lady D, yeah? Well, the number is 312-69-20. You see, you can reach my manager 312-69-20. Yeah, and other than that, you can just check me on Facebook. You can check me on Instagram, right? Don Steve Cruickshank or just Steve Cruickshank on Facebook. Yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, go and do your thing, man. You know you're home.
Exactly. You know you have a home here on Daddy Reddss Promotions every time. Can't wait till we link, King. A fire, Fire.
Yeah, man. Blaze the fire. Keep the fire blazing, man.
Every time, King, because we don't stop blaze.
Dada.
Yes, Don Dada. So, it's like I said, it's a pleasure to talk with you. And I'm going to play the songs again. And I'll reason with you off the air, right?
Yeah, man. Blessed heart of love. Give thanks for the opportunity same way.
Yes, King.
Yeah, man. My brother asked when you come in Trinidad, man. When you come Trinidad,
listen,
man, wonder when you come Trinidad.
Before the year out, King. Before the year out. For the year out.
Right.
So like, end of the summer.
Right,
yes. Yes.
Yes, man. Trinidad and Jamaica, brother and sister, same way. Hey.
Bruh, you done now.
What that, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wow.
Easy thing. Easy thing. What do you want, dub plate? Oh, hold on. Let me give him a little thing right now. You want dub plate? Let me see.
This is man, you know.
Dub plate, I'm saying. Yeah, no dub plate for you. All right. What's the name of the sound?
Blue TH1001. You pick anything you want to pick.
All right. I'm going to get my artist Angel Eyes and make her shell it. For real, King. Because, you know, when it comes to dub plate, I got you an easy thing, King. What mercy. I'm a warrior till my dying breath. Fear no evil as I walk through the valley, the shadow of death. Just my riding staff, be company. This is Daddy Reddss. The warrior, the evil that most men do. But you now one judge, if he goes right, you should be lost if you fall into temptation. All you do is sacrifice your salvation. No bother because no, sir.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we follow with the music everywhere we go.
What up, yeah, my brother?
All right, dread out. Love. Bless. All right. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dread out.
Okay. Yes, people. A Don Cruickshank out to where? Trinidad and Tobago. All right. So look, catch the replay on YouTube. Daddy Reddss Promotions. All right? Music we say is in our heart. We love everybody because love is in our heart. So all I have to do is say, I am Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, the Talking News, and this is Meditative Dialogue, but I'm also the reggae ambassador that will always cause a musical massacre, massacre, massacre. Dread out for now. Catch it on Daddy Reddss Promotions, the replay. Love.